Hi, I'm Sharon Stone, and I am here for my Elle Spain cover shoot. And I want to say hola y gracias. Where does the beauty of living twice reside? Well, it certainly began in my mind and heart and soul, but from the look of the sales, it's starting to reside in your heart and soul and mind, and I am very, very, very grateful for that. The fact that we are sharing this journey now makes me really, really, really happy, and I feel blessed by that. I hope you do too. I am learning so many lessons from this second life that I am enjoying, and the biggest part of the joy is the reaction of all of the readers and what they are experiencing and the stories they're sharing with me and the way that it is opening up my own field of vision. I feel like there's going to be another book just from the joy and the comfort and the kindness which I've received from the readers. I can't even tell you how beautiful the kindness and the graciousness and the love, just the love that I'm experiencing in my conversations and Instagrams and texts and emails from the readers. Thank you for that. It's life-changing. It is life-affirming and life-changing. I just feel like something is happening now, that we had this time to be with ourselves, and we had this time to find clarity of consciousness, and that as we are re-emerging into the world and to join one another, we found real clarity in who we are and who we are not. And I can say how much I appreciate these movements in the world where people are saying, no, you cannot oppress me. I love that. And I find that so hopeful and so beautiful because we are all the same. And we all do have these same hopes, dreams, desires, and hearts full of love for ourselves and for one another. And we all really do deserve the same respect and dignity and decencies in our lives. And I feel so hopeful that we are going to get there. And I love that. And I love all of you for standing up for yourselves. And I'm really hopeful that that is working and that we are working on it together.